All right, last part. The function p is defined to be that. Find the slope of the line tangent to the graph of p at the point where x equals 1. So we're plugging in, well, actually, we have to use chain rule to find the slope. I'm going to be using the formula y minus y1 equals the slope times x minus x1. And I have to figure out my x1 and y1. But I already know that x1 is going to be -1. So I'll just have to plug in p of 1. This is in order to figure out my y1. So I need to plug that in. So if I plug it in here, I plug in a 1 here, and I get 1 minus 1 is 0, right? So p of 1 equals 0. No, it doesn't equal 0. P of 1 equals f of 0. And f of 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, which equals 4. So my y1 is 4. Because I need to find a point on this line. So the tangent line to the graph, that say p of x, I don't know what it looks like, but say p of x looks like this. The tangent line would be like that. Keeps interrupting. And a point on that line would be 1, 4, right? And so we're going to use that, and we're going to have to find the slope of that. So let's find the slope. The slope would be just the derivative, p prime of 1. That would be the slope of p at x equals 1. And let's see what that is. So p prime of 1, that's going to be, well, the derivative of the outside is f prime times the derivative, so keep the inside the same. And then times the derivative of the inside, so times 2x minus 1. And that's all evaluated at x equals 1. So what is f prime? Well, that's the slope of f. So we're going to plug in 1. So there's f prime of 1, that would be 0, right? Uh-oh. I should have been plugging in -1 the whole time. -1. I plugged in 1. So it should be -1. That changes things. So let's see where I change it. So p of -1, what would that be? It would be f of -1, and f of -1 is back 1 and then up. So 3. So that would be f of -1. That would be 3. So that should have been 3. So the x value should have been -1. The y value should have been 3. And then -1. That makes it a lot better. Because now I don't have to find the slope at a part where the slope is not defined. Because it's not differentiable there. So at x equals 0 for f prime. So let's plug in -1, and what do we get? -1 squared is 1, minus -1, that would be 2, times, so f of 2, what is f of 2? Oh no, f prime of 2. 1, 2. F prime is the slope of that. So what is that slope? Down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 over 2. So it would be 4 over 2, which is 2, negative, because it's a negative slope. I just counted it. Slope of -2. Oh, that's this part. That is -2. Because we're looking at the slope of f. And then times this when I plug in a -1. 2 times -1 is -2 minus 1, that's -3. So we get -2 times -3, which gives you positive 6. What was it asking? Function p is to find the slope of the line tangent to the graph. Oh, we didn't. I didn't need to use that. It's just saying find the slope, and the slope is 6. So there we go. So for this, you would get points for writing down the correct derivative of p. I thought we were going to have to find the line tangent to it, but it's just the slope of the line tangent to it. So you get 1 point for writing down p prime properly, and then 1 point for the answer. Oh no, 2 points for writing down p prime because you have to use the chain rule. And then 1 point for the answer, and then there you go. There's 2 points. All right, we're done.